boys, we went for it.
Alright, headed out to our first drift competition. How are you prepared, Lily? Are you ready? Let's get the interview of a... Okay, you're peeing. That's cool. That's the interview of a century. It's that time, boys and girls. You ready, Lily? Lily, you ready to go? Alright, we made it to the track, boys and girls. Trying to get to the garages right now. We are absolutely doing it right now. Got the boys at Drift HQ here. This thing barely fits in the freaking garage. We got our model over here. Thing is sweet. Yeah, look at clearance over here. All right, we are walking the track. So it's actually got a lot more space than I thought. I was thinking tandems are gonna be super tight. I mean, it is still gonna be pretty tight, but it's actually a pretty decent spacing, decent width. So you stage here, and then you go. All right, so here's the car we're going up against. This should look familiar. This is Adam LZ's 350Z. And Matt the Ginge is driving it. You can see he's got super grippy tires. Yeah, this is gonna be a tough battle.
The vendor awning. Every driver, please come to the vendor awning. We'll be having a driver's meeting there. Do not come.
So you can see Wise Fab. He's got a grip kit. And if you haven't seen Matt drive, he is a baller driver. So yeah, this first battle is gonna be tough. Truthfully, I expect Matt to win the whole event, but we're gonna drive as hard as we can. We got the new angle kit on the Camaro, so let's go try it.
We are headed out. See how we do. chance against him. We'll see.
This doesn't stop, right?
Hey guys, my name is Zach Calvin. I'm driving a 2014 Camaro SS.
I heard about that.
Went for it. Well, boys, we went for it. You good? You good?
All right, so I just hit Matt. I knew he was gonna be a tough battle, so what I did was just send everything I could at it. Got a little too aggressive. Sorry, Matt, for hitting the car. Well, sorry, Adam, for hitting your car, but I knew I had to throw everything at it. Just got a little too aggressive. You know, you either get too aggressive or you lay back and then you get gapped. So I wanted to play it aggressive. It didn't pay off, unfortunately, but had a ton of fun. No, I have no power steering. All right, so hit Matt on the chase, got a little too aggressive. The car has no power steering. Oh, the toe is a little bit. Yeah, so we're gonna unhook the battery and see what happens.
That's got to be a one more time. He's straightened. Limb mode?
All right, guys, so we just got done going up against Matt. We got it one more time because he incompleted on his chase. I incompleted on my chase. The judges initially gave him the win, but I went and talked to the judge and I said, listen, Matt's a better driver. So, I mean, there's no argument there. But by the rule book, I had an incomplete on my chase. He had an incomplete on his chase. That should be a one more time.
So we ran the one more time. Matt got the win, fair and square. I'm gonna go ahead and record the rest of this. I have a feeling Matt's gonna win it all if the car doesn't go into limp mode again. So stay tuned, watch the rest of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
Here we go.
Get up in first place is Matt, that ginger hair guy over there. We have nice trophies, facts, and they're gonna get Venmo some money today. So congratulations to these winners, guys. Give them a big round of applause.
All right, so we are headed home. Super cool event overall. Obviously there was a little bit of a mix up in the one more time. So I had an incomplete chase run because I was just too aggressive. I knew that I had to be with Matt being as good of a driver as he is. So I was on his door. You guys will see it in the footage. As soon as he hooked it in, I hooked it in. I got on throttle a little bit quicker than Matt did, and that caused me to make contact with his front tire, which evidently caused him to kind of go off track, and then I went off track. We eventually talked to the judges. Matt did too, so shout out to Matt just for being a stand-up guy. Like that just says a lot about him as a person. We went one more time, and obviously the better driver won, so awesome job, Matt. But a great event overall. I'm gonna be out there again in 2 weeks, which is really cool. Hopefully I don't draw Matt again. I mean, Matt was definitely the best driver there. I mean, he was the only pro driver in my class. So it's kind of like, depending on how you look at it, it's cool to go against the best driver, because if you do get through him, then you got a really strong chance of going the whole way. But it also kind of sucks because if I would have picked anyone else, I feel like I would have done better, or I would have went deeper into the competition, I should say. But the angle kit, Luke, you are literally the man. I need to give a massive shout out to Luke and Robbie, because the setup that I have on the car, I really think is a winning combination. I just need to dial in more grip, and this big girl needs to go on a diet. She's definitely way too heavy. So in order for me to be competitive, I need to probably shed another, I don't know, 400 or 500 pounds at least. So I'm gonna be working with Billy Mitchell to, you know, get some weight out of the car, dial in some more grip, and then, you know, we're gonna go back and compete at competitions around Florida and maybe in other states. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you please subscribe while you're here. If you're coming from my Instagram, thank you for watching, but I need your guys' help to get the video out there. So please do me a favor, subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Leaving a thumbs up is gonna help YouTube just naturally put the video out there. So really need your guys' help with that. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.